Welcome to your guided meditation. My name is Claire, and I'm going to guide you on a meditation for the winter solstice, embracing stillness and inner vision. The winter solstice is a time of quiet reflection, marking the longest night of the year and the return of the light. Just as nature pauses in stillness, we too are invited to slow down, turn inward, and listen to the whispers of our own inner vision. Winter encourages us to rest, release what no longer serves us, and plant the seeds of intention for the year ahead. This meditation will guide you into a state of deep connection with your heart, offering stillness, renewal, and alignment with the season's peaceful energy. So finding a comfortable position, making any adjustments to the body, getting any support, cushion or a blanket, or maybe you might choose to light a candle, some incense, or maybe choose a crystal. Whatever feels right for you. And gently closing the eyes down. And taking a nice, deep, comfortable inhale in, with a full exhale through the mouth. A deep, comfortable inhale in, exhaling through the mouth, sensing the body becoming heavier and heavier. Deep inhale in, exhaling through the mouth, feeling any tension gently releasing from the body. And becoming aware of your breath. Noticing how your body is rising and falling with the natural flow of your breath. Notice the cool air as it travels through the nose, and the warmth as it leaves your body. With each exhale, the body softening, becoming steady and calm. And bring your awareness to the top of your head. And with each exhale, sense the crown of the head softening, the forehead, the temples, a slight gap between the teeth and a gentle smile upon the face, the shoulders melting down the back, the arms becoming heavy, the palms and the fingers softening. Your heart space opens, your stomach softens, your hips, your buttocks softening, the legs becoming heavy, the ankles, the soles of the feet, the toes softening. With each exhale, a wave of relaxation washing through the body. And now bringing your hands together and gently rubbing them, creating warmth between the palms of the hands. and now placing them upon your heart space, one on top of each other. Feel the warmth and connection of your touch. With each breath, a sense of the body rising and falling. And then bring your awareness to your heartbeat. Maybe you can sense the beat of your heart underneath your hands. A steady, grounding presence within you. Imagine yourself in a serene winter's landscape. Snow blankets the ground, a muffling sound and inviting deep stillness. The trees stand bare, their branches outstretched like arms. The sky above is crisp and clear, with a soft silvery glow. Allow this peaceful image to mirror the quiet within you. As you breathe, imagine this stillness spreading through your body, from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. Like the earth in winter, your body rests and your mind finds clarity. Bringing your attention inwards, with your hands still upon your heart, ask yourself, what is my inner vision for this season of stillness? What is my inner vision for this season of stillness? What am I ready to release? And what seeds of intention do I want to plant for the year ahead? What am I ready to release? And what seeds of intention do I want to plant for the year ahead? Trust whatever arises, knowing there is no need to force an answer. Simply listen and be present with your inner vision. Bringing your awareness back to your heart space. And allow these affirmations to plant within your heart like seeds. I embrace the stillness of winter and find peace within. I release what no longer serves me and make space for renewal. I trust the wisdom of my inner vision to guide me. I honour this season of rest and reflection. I am grounded and supported by the quiet of the earth. I welcome the return of the light with hope and intention. My heart is open to growth, even in the stillness. I find strength in pausing and going within. I am aligned with the rhythm of nature and the cycles of my life. This winter solstice, let yourself mirror the stillness of the season, trusting that even in the quiet, transformation is taking place. And bringing your awareness back to your hands upon your heart space. And starting to deepen the breath, sensing the body expanding. Moving your awareness to any external noises. And then bringing your awareness back to your breath. And taking a nice, deep, comfortable inhale in with a full exhale through the mouth. Deep inhale in with a full exhale through the mouth. Bringing gentle movement back into your body. And when it feels right to you, gently opening the eyes. You may wish to get a journal and journal down anything that came up for you through this meditation. I hope you enjoy.